Hey, it's Kate with WTI. When I'm in need of a cough drop, a little something to just soothe my throat if it's feeling irritated, my go-to is Fisherman's Friend.
These Fisherman's Friend lozenges are just a total classic. I love that super mentholy kind of licorice flavor. And I love that they just come in these really convenient little packages that you can take with you on the go. They keep things really simple. It's a vegan lozenge and they're small but mighty. These things pack unbelievable flavor. And I find that it is just the thing that I need to breathe a little easier, to have my throat feeling clearer, and it's just that perfect little throat lozenge.
I love these so much. I love that the ingredients are straightforward and it's got such a powerful menthol flavor that just instantly makes my throat feel better. So these are definitely my go-to. I highly recommend checking them out if you're looking for something like this, but that's just my point of view.